All right, this is for number 10 for the tenor sax. So first things first, we got to figure out the clapping and the counting. We're in 4/4, so that means every quarter note gets one beat. So let's clap and count starting from here. 1 and 2 and ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. The important thing to realize is that when we cross the bar line, there's no pause. You go directly from 4 to 1. Now let's figure out our letter names. We are starting on C. F-A-C-E. F-A-C-E, spaces spell my face. So C is here. This is our middle finger C. Let's figure out the letters first before we go on. After C, we go up to the next line, which is D, which is all 6 fingers plus the thumb. Now the biggest thing about your C is that there's no thumb pushed down. Okay, we're not pushing our octave key. C is low and it is underneath that D line, so there is no octave key. So we have C, 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 D. Keep all of your fingers closed when you're playing C. When you're playing C, your fingers are hovering like helicopters right over the pearls. C, 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 D. And you plop them all down together. You don't roll them down. Then we have a rest. And we go up to the note that is sitting on top of the line like this. This is your G. G, G, F, F, E. Okay. Now, you're going to want to do this with a metronome. After you figure out your letter names, you need to do it with the metronome so that you can stay steady, so you are not stopping to think, but they were just instantly memorizing what that letter name is because of where it is on a line or a space. So I'm going to turn on my metronome. All right, there's our metronome. Now let's do our show and tell. 1 and 2 and ready, go. C, 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 D. Rest, rest, breathe. G, G, F, F, E. Now let's play. Make sure your neck strap is adjusted. The mouthpiece should come right below your top teeth. Find your sweet spot. 1, 2, set. And then you practice that a whole bunch of times until you can do it perfectly with no hesitations or gaps. Have fun!